I got two hand saws, Irwin Universal, so don't know how many teeth I forgot. Write it down later. This one, Irwin Jack 880 plus, and this is good actually. This is also good. This is the first one I bought. And then I cannot do rib cuts on this. It says it can do rib cuts. It reasonably does, but not the best. So I'm going to do a review on this. I've been searching online, which one to buy at the beginning, but I didn't find anything. So I'm going to review so others could make a proper decision. Right. 14 kind of. And this one. 9 cuts. So 14 and 9. Another one like this. So it was 14. Yeah, 14, 15 on this. 8 to 9 on this. Halfway. But this is 22 inch and this is 17 inch, I think. I don't know if it's a blade 17 or blade is 15 inch. So this is 22, 15. So I think that's the best sofa I've ever used. Irwin. Good luck.